Now let's talk about the code for this problem of build max heap. So what is given to us is an array, and this array needs to be converted into a max heap. Now if you say this is the array visualized as a tree, and this is not a max heap, so we need to do something so that we convert it into a max heap. If you remember, we discussed the algorithm behind it, that what we do is we start from the end of the array and we take the first known leaf, and we start making sure with every element that that element, including all its children, becomes a max heap. So this is the strategy we will take, and when we take 8, we will do max heapify on 8 so that 8 and its children altogether make a max heap. So we will reuse the code that we wrote for max heapify. Now build max heap, we discussed what we need to do is we need to start from the back. We need to find the first known leaf, and the first known leaf in the array, it's always going to be n by 2 minus 1 index. So we discussed that also, that what is the index of the leaf, the first leaf in the array. So what we will do is we'll start from I is equal to n by 2 minus 1. So this index is actually the index of first known leaf. So here if you see 2 to 4 to 6, 1, 7, there's 7 element array, and in this 7 element, if you do 7 by 2, which is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So if you see 0, 1 and 2, second index element is the first known leaf element. Post that, everything is a leaf. So we are starting from this, and we say I greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. So we keep doing this for every I, and keep coming up till the time we reach 0, and we just need to do, what we need to do is just call max heapify shift down. So we will say same array, the size of array remains the same, and the index changes from n by 2 minus 1 to 0. So this is it. Like building max heap is no big deal. We can directly go with this approach, right? So let's go ahead and submit our code and see what happens to the submission. So we see that the first test is passing and the second test also passed. So this is pretty straightforward and simple code that we have for this function.